Okay, this is Tammy Royce, and I'm sitting here at this volcanic mound. See, there's the hole right there. There's the hole over there. There's my there's my rock pile right there that I set up in case of an earthquake. And I just dug this one here up out of the ground. See the shininess of it? See the glassy look there? It's got a really, really glassy look there. It's got some colors about it. It's really, really awesome. And there's one right here that's in the ground. And I want to dig it up with my fingers while you're watching. See right here? See that shiny glass look right there? See that? And like here, all around through here, there's more of that stuff there. But I wanted to show you that. I'm going to take this one with me and study it because it's really, really shiny. It's got that glassy look about it. Really, really shiny. It's really, really awesome. Here, let me get over here in the sunlight with this. There we go. Look at that shine. It's awesome. And the colors of it is awesome too. Kind of goldish. I just picked this other one up out of the hole itself. It's really, really light. It's really, really awesome, actually. Where'd that other rock go that I had? And I dug this one out of the side of it. See that right there? It's kind of like that stuff I seen seeping over there, isn't it? See that on there? That I seen over there on Martin Luther King Boulevard? Kind of like that stuff I seen seeping over there in the ground. It's kind of gold and shiny, colorful. It's really awesome. It's really, really awesome. Let's see if I can find any more. Ouch. It's got that color about it. Ooh. This one doesn't want to come up, does it? Let me dig around it. It's kind of deep. This one is. See it? See that rock? It's really deep. It's not ready to come up. I did it! I pulled it up. Look how big. Look how big of a rock that is. I'll set it back here by its hole. It's really, really a huge rock. Really, really a huge rock. Look at that. It's huge. It didn't want to come up though, did it? This one I find awesome. Look at that. Look at the colors about it. Isn't it awesome? The shininess about it too. Let me move my fingers out of the way. It's got gold about it too. Got some gold colors on it. It's really awesome. It's kind of hot. Anyway, this is, look at that one. Really shiny like glass there. Isn't it? Anyway, this is Tammy Royce, just checking out the activities at the volcanic mound over here. Signing out, guys. I love y'all, and everybody be careful.